Hi, it's T. This video is a bit of a detour from the other videos I've been doing. It's a video about an error that I ran into in while trying to use Git. Git is a software that lets you track changes when working with code. So you can probably see how important it is to know how to use Git. So I'm going to show you how to do this in about 2 lines of code or less. But before I start, I just have to debunk a bit of the jargon that I've been seeing when I've been looking up how to fix the issue online. So, repository is another way of saying folder, and repository is another way of saying project. Okay, with that out of the way, the problem is to fix the fatal not a Git repository error. So first you need to empty. So as you can see, I'm connected to the user I signed in as. Now you need to empty it by typing git init. This leaves you open to be able to create the repository with your selected project of interest. So git init, enter. Now we're open, and then all I have to do is right click, copy as pat my folder of interest with all the documents I want to be tracked. And then I go in and I type cd, which is set directory. I paste, and then I click enter. And now that's my new repository. I can check that it's worked by typing lwd, enter, and I can see that portfolio project is my new repository. Please like and subscribe and have a good day.